In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tasks in Perplexity AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up automated, recurring tasks that keep working for you on a schedule so you can stay updated without having to run the same query over and over. First, open your browser and go to the Perplexity website. Give it a moment to load and you'll land on the main interface. If you're asked to sign in, do that so your settings and schedules are saved to your account. Once you're in, take a quick look around so you know where the navigation and tools live. Next, click on the computer option. This is the area designed for running more structured workflows rather than ad hoc chat. Think of it as the control room where you can set up tasks that Perplexity will handle for you, exactly how and when you want them. At the top, click on Scheduled. This is where you'll create recurring tasks. You'll see helpful presets to speed things up, including a portfolio tracker that runs hourly, a morning brief that runs daily, and trend research that runs weekly. These presets are simply starting points. The hourly tracker is great for time-sensitive data checks, the daily brief works well for news and must-know updates, and the weekly trend research is ideal for deeper, less urgent summaries. Pick the cadence that matches how often you actually want to receive results. Now, type your prompt. Be clear and specific about what you want the task to produce. If you're using the portfolio tracker, mention the assets or metrics to follow and any thresholds that matter. For a morning brief, you might include the topics or regions you care about, preferred sources, and how you want results formatted, like bullet summaries or a short digest. For trend research, define the industries or keywords, the time window you care about, and whether you want links, charts, or concise takeaways. The more precise your prompt, the more consistent your scheduled results will be. When you're ready, click Generate. Creating and running scheduled tasks is part of the Pro plan, so if you're on the free plan, you may see an option to upgrade before the task activates. After it's generated, your task will run automatically at the interval you selected, and you can return to the scheduled section anytime to review outputs and fine-tune the prompt for clarity or scope. That's it. You've just set up a scheduled task in Perplexity AI that continuously delivers the updates you want when you want them.